This morning. I survived the night. It's so cold though. Wish the sun would shine. Oh! Oh, my glad to see you!
Well, that makes a change.
Who did that?
I did!
Oh,
Will you stop turning around? You're making me all dizzy. I don't get any powers till midday.
who are you? Where are you?
There's no need to shout. I'm not deaf.
Oh, stop playing stupid games. Come out and face me.
Obviously. You're not at your best first thing in the morning, are you?
What are you talking about?
I am, to use the worst pantomime line, behind you! You're not hurt, are you?
Yeah, now stop playing about. This is your final warning. So come out and face me.
I can't face you. At this moment, you're looking at me. But I've got my back. Or perhaps I should really say, your back to you.
What are you talking about?
I am your shadow.
My shadow?
Yes. So you see, it's really very difficult for me to try and face you.
You know, I might be dreaming. I might... Ow! Ow!
You're not dreaming.
How do you know?
I'm a shadow, not a dream.
Ow, 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 ow.
Anyway, don't get paid in dreams, do you?
Oh, I wish.
Oh, do. I really like wishes.
I wish I'd gone to the wedding now. I wish I'd taken my dad's advice and not come out walking on my own. I wish I... Hey, hang on a moment. I've had shadows before, but none have been able to speak to me.
I'm not your usual shadow.
You can say that again.
I'm unique. Yeah, you would be.